Okay, so what you have in front of you is a worksheet, and it says context clues. That's what we're going to be working on. So let me give you a scenario. Say you're reading a book, and you're reading through it, the book is good, then you come to a word you don't know. Are you going to stop, get a dictionary, and come back? No, you're going to keep reading. So you keep reading, there's another word you don't know, keep reading, there's another one. Maybe you've gone through 3 or 4 pages by now, right? And you're almost to the end of the chapter. But if you look back, there are probably parts of the chapter that you don't understand because you don't know what those words meant. But there's no need for you to be carrying a dictionary around all the time because that's kind of a hassle. So what do? You use context clues. What I've given you on the sheet are 4 steps that you can use towards context clues in, everyday life. The first one is to underline it so you don't lose it when you read it again. Second, reread the sentence or the part of the book that the word is in. Step 3 is to ask yourself, what is the sentence saying? What's the overall meaning? What does the word contribute to in the sentence? Meaning, what's it describing? And if it is describing something, what kind of image does it create in your head? Once you do all of this, substitute what you've, written to yourself in the sentence instead of the word, or take the word out completely. What does it mean to you now? At this point, you should have a better sense of what the sentence means and what the word means, and you never had to get a dictionary. It's true that doing this might not give you a complete sense of the word. You might not know what it really means if you didn't get a dictionary, but now that you've seen it once, you'll recognize it when you see it again, and it'll be great because you'll have a greater understanding every single time you read it. So I have an example here from this book called Esperanza Rising, which is about a Mexican girl whose family was very rich, and then they lost their money due to bad times in their area, and it's about her readjusting to life. Can I have a volunteer to read part of that sentence? Danielle?
Yeah, okay. Esperanza leaned around the side of the truck. As they rounded a curve, it appeared as if the mountains pulled away from each other, like a curtain opening on stage revealing the Sandhook Valley beyond. Flat and spacious, it spread out like a blanket of patchwork fields. Esperanza could see no end to the plots of yellow, brown, and shades of green.
Okay, so in this quote, I underlined the word spacious. It's a word you might not know. It's kind of long. It sounds a little weird, So what we're going to do is, since I already underlined it for you, I'm going to reread that part of the sentence. Flat and spacious, it spread out like a blanket of patchwork fields. Now let's look at what it means. The word flat at the beginning doesn't give us much, but what does the second part mean? It spread out like a blanket of patchwork fields. What do words like field and blanket mean to you? What kind of images do they bring to mind?
Spreads out.
Spread out.
Covers.
Kind of
encompasses.
Open space.
Open space. I like open. So let's substitute spacious with open. Flat and open, it's spread out like a blanket of patchwork fields. So does that sound like it fits into the sentence?
Yes.
Does it give you a better sense of what it means?
Yeah.
So right now what we know is flat and spacious. Spacious means open. Maybe it doesn't completely mean spacious, but we definitely know that it's a part of that word. Okay? Cool. So now, in order to help us remember how to find context clues, I wrote a tiny little song that will help you guys remember. So we're going to head over to the computer. So I wrote this, tiny little song. It's based off of Drake's Come Through, which I think that a lot of you know. And so I'm just going to sing through it once, and then you guys can come in, whenever you feel comfortable. And hopefully this will help you remember how to find context clues and how to use them. Ready? So you're reading a book, there's a word you don't know, have your dictionary, tell me what do, don't you worry your frown, there's something you can do, use the context around, you can learn something, use clues, use clues, use clues, use clues, use the words around you, learn from using the context clues, you can learn something, use clues, use clues, use clues, use clues, use the words around you. Learn from using the context clues. Thanks, guys.
Clues, 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 clues.